How to package beef strips with an automatic machine. From raw materials to packaging, all in one step. This is the bag magazine position of the packaging machine. We place the premade pouches here. Then, the bag clamps on the turntable, opening the bag and delivering it to the feeding port. At this manual station, the operator manually portions the beef strips for vacuum packaging by placing them into the measuring cup. The beef strips are discharged from the measuring cup into the bag. At this point, half of the packaging work is already completed. A secondary poking process ensures the beef strips settle closer to the bottom of the bag. Rotary air blowing cleans the bag opening, ensuring sealing quality. After flattening the bag opening, it can be transferred into the vacuum chamber. Rotary vacuum packaging machines can significantly increase packaging speed. This machine is set at a packaging speed of 60 bags per minute. And just like that, these delicious beef strips are. If you need packaging equipment, don't hesitate to contact me.